Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to manage volunteer coordination in Monday.com. First up, let's create a new board. Click on Add on your dashboard and select Board. Here you can organize all your volunteers and their tasks. This is your central base for coordination, making it easy to plan and manage your volunteers effectively. Now that we've done that, let's add our volunteers. Click on Columns, add a People column, and add your volunteers. This helps us because it provides a visual overview of who's involved in the project. Next, add a status column for each volunteer. This is where you'll update their task progress. The reason we do this is to keep track of tasks and ensure everything is moving along as planned. Time to assign tasks. Add a task column and link each task to a volunteer. This is crucial because it ensures that everyone knows their responsibilities and there's no overlap or confusion. Now, let's add a date column. Here, you can set deadlines for each task. This helps us because it keeps everyone on track and ensures tasks are completed on time. Finally, let's utilize the automation feature. Click on Automate and set reminders for deadlines and task updates. This is important as it takes care of repetitive tasks, freeing up more time for you to focus on other aspects of volunteer management. And that's it. You've now set up a streamlined system for managing volunteer coordination in Monday.com. Remember, the key is to keep everything updated and communicate regularly with your volunteers. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.